Right now we're gonna do a tank view. So put the camera right there. Let's bring the camera to me. This tool looks. These parts are original. I know this toilet wasn't always here because this toilet is 1930 standard cadet. The toilet's almost filling up. So hopefully, I'm just gonna flush it. Alright, just gonna flush it. Tank is so close to be filled up. See that? This filter was always here, especially the flapper, because it's in the right. Because these parts are original to this toilet. Whoa. Oh yeah, come on, you're almost there. Oh, you're almost there. Here we go. Alright. See the tank filled up. Alright. Now we're gonna put the tank back on. Because someone needs to use the restroom. Alright, let's pause it.